Hello everyone, this is your Uncle Ito again. So for today's video, we are going to Dubai and Qatar. So ngayon ready na kami at papaalis na kami at ready na itong sasakyan namin. Alright, so see you in Qatar. Alright, we're here at the San Francisco airport. So we were at the Emirates. That one there. We can go this side there. Alright, dito na kami sa check-in ng Emirates Airline. Kami mag-check-in ngayon. Daming pasahero. Yeah. Ayan, kain muna tayo ng clam chowder sa Budin dito sa airport. So anyways, pupunta kami ng Qatar via Dubai. Layover kami doon ng I think 1 hour and a half before heading to Qatar. So the reason na pupunta kami ng Qatar para attend ng wedding ng aking inaanak, si Roslyn Rumbawa. Doon sila kakasal sa Qatar this coming Saturday. So yeah, sasakay kami ng Emirates Airline. Yung first time namin sasakay ng Airbus 380 ba yun? Yung malaking airline. First time na attend tayo. So magbibideo tayo doon sa loob pagdating natin. So flight namin is 3:40. So it's only 1 o'clock. Madali lang kami nakapasok sa security kasi meron kaming TSA pre-check. So kaya madali lang pumasok. Kaya lang naharang ako dahil yung water jug ko may tubig. So pinabalik ako dun sa labas, tinapon yung water and then dumaan ulit sa security. So you wanna make sure na pagpasok nyo doon, wala kayong dalang tubig. Ito kanina So sabi ng security, either tapon mo ito or balik ka ulit sa linya, then pila ka ulit doon. Sabi ko tapon ko na lang at bumalik ako doon. Yeah, sarap to. Ayan, nandito na kami sa sa gate ng aeroplano, ng papasok ng aeroplano. So that would be our plane, Emirates Airline Airbus 380. Yan yung double deck na sinasabi. So it's our first time to ride on that plane. So excited akong makita sa loob. Kaya pagpasok namin, papakita ko sa inyo sa loob. Okay? Alright. Yan, dito na kami sa waiting area. Sa Qatar Airways. And yun naman ang Emirates Airline. Yun. Okay, we're heading down to the boarding area. Alright, so we're going to the plane. Ang haba pala ito. So we are going to the plane. Let's see. This is one of the biggest airline. So this is their juicer. Our beautiful cabin crew here. Saan tayo? 54. Here, 54. HJ ito. Dito tayo. Yan, maluwag pang space dito. So, luwag-luwag. It's nice here. Okay, so it's dinner time. I have this chicken.
Pepsi juices.
And you got this, what do you have? The paneer.
It's the butter paneer.
Yan yung ano, yung parang binili ko nga.
Na,
Nung pumunta ako sa India.
oh,
Oh. Like it? No? No?
I have no choice.
You don't like it? They don't like the Indian food?
Ito, Eastern.
Namaste.
That's all the food there. Like that.
We wanted to
Red wine.
Oh, you got the layover or something?
Overnight. So we're staying out
Oh, okay.
when we come back. Bye.
Sir, have a nice
Thank you.
day. Thank you, madam. Oh, thank you, madam. Oh, thank you.
So we're going out. We're here, we're going out. Welcome to Dubai. We're here in Dubai. Welcome to Dubai. We're here now in Dubai. See you back in the US.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so connecting flights is there. So let's see. Yeah. So we're going to find our flight. So Doha yan. F11. Ano Doha? F11. Okay, connecting flights.
Connections. Next flight.
Okay.
Connection, next flight. Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Closing. Please stand clear. El nuevo turno. Już zaczynamy.
Nakakalito dito. So, F tayo. Okay.
Nawawala kami.
Dito sa Dubai, ang laki-laki ng airport.
Dami sa ano namang ano. Ang dami-daming cake.
To use a bus.
A few inches later.
Ayan na, si Silene. Oh.
Ay, naku po talaga.
Okay, say now.
Hello. Welcome to Qatar.
Yes.
Ito, Lani.
Ayan, dito na kami sa Qatar. Kakain lang kami dito sa Dairy Queen dito sa Qatar. Ayan.
Ito sige, edit mo na lang.
Kain tayo in Qatar, Doha. Nandun si Roslyn. We're here in ito si Brian, right? Brian.
Ninong Loreto.
Oh, pwede, ano muna ako. Ito, si kumpare, katito yan. Ito yung taga-Tansan. Nandititan. Yeah. Welcome to my vlog. Yeah. Ito si at manugangin natin. Ito si Roslyn. Kumpare ko. Dito na sa Qatar, oh. Dakal. Alright, this is our hotel for 4 nights dito sa Qatar, UAE.
4 nights, 5 days.
Ay, hindi pala. Doha, Qatar. Oh, ang laki, oh. Ang ganda, oh.
Plaza.
Ito yung bathroom. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Oh.
Tapos ba, umalis ka, okay.
Yeah. Picture lang kita.
Picture mo yung flowers.
Oh. Hindi, i-vlog ko. Yan ang binigay ni
Wala akong charge.
Celine. Parang ikaw ang kakasal, ah. Ayan.
Ang taas na, 9th floor, no?
Taas na yun.
Sabi niya kanina, not including breakfast. Sabi niya, what? Sabi niya, hindi ko maintindihan yung breakfast niya. Iniis lang niya, hindi ko maintindihan eh.
It's lang eh,